Hello, today I have a great and easy recipe for sourdough blueberry muffins. These muffins are so soft and delicious, and I know you're gonna love them. So, here we go! Pour in a sifter 200 grams or 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and sift the flour and the baking soda to break up any lumps in the flour. Add 5 grams or ¼ tablespoon of salt. Mix with a whisk to incorporate well all the dry ingredients. Now, place in the bowl of a stand mixer 110 grams or 1 stick of butter at room temperature, cut in small pieces. Feed the stand mixer with the paddle attachment and start mixing the butter for about 2 minutes. Then add 180 grams or 1 cup of sugar to the bowl as you keep mixing the butter with the sugar. Increase the speed of the stand mixer and keep mixing until creamy. Add 55 grams or ¼ cup of milk, 100 grams or 2 large eggs, and 120 grams or ½ cup of Greek yogurt. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can substitute it with regular yogurt or sour cream. Add 100 grams or 1/3 cup of sourdough starter. You can also use sourdough discard for this recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until the sourdough starter dissolves in the mix. Add the dry ingredients that you sifted previously and mix in the lowest setting until the flour is well incorporated for about 30 seconds. Get a spatula and make sure to gently incorporate all the ingredients well. Now, add 2 cups of fresh blueberries and use the spatula to mix them in the batter. Prepare a muffin pan with 12 muffin liners and use a cookie scoop to fill up the muffin liners. Fill every muffin liner to the edge of the paper liner. Now, add 2 tablespoons of turbinado sugar on top of every muffin. This will intensify the flavor of the top of your muffin. Place the muffins in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, reduce the heat of the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Insert a skewer in the center of one of the muffins, and if it comes out clean, your muffins are ready. If not, bake for another 2 to 3 minutes and try again. When your blueberry muffins are completely cooked, take them out of the oven and place them on a cooling rack for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take them out of the muffin pan and place them on a cooling rack. These muffins are very soft, fragrant, and delicious. Enjoy them. I hope you can try this quick and easy recipe. If you like this video, please click in the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new recipe every week. Thank you for watching.